In this guide, we're going to be going over how you can add friends here on Marvel Rivals. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, from the main menu, just look up in the top right corner and you're going to want to select this little people icon right here. And inside here, you're going to see a few different ways to add friends. The first way is just by searching by their username right here. Essentially, just click the search bar, type in their name, and they should appear in the list. Select their profile, click add friend, and a friend request will be sent over to them. Keep in mind though that they will need to accept that friend request in order for you to be added. But what you could also do is actually add through your recent players. If you click this little recent players icon right here, you can go through and just hit add friend next to all of these recent players if you would like. Again, they will need to accept that request, but if someone has already sent you a friend request in this exact same menu, what you could do is just go over to the request tab and then accept them all from within here. It really is as simple as that. Now, you can also go ahead and view stuff like your Discord friends if you have your Discord connected, and you can also view friends from your platform like Xbox, PlayStation, PC by selecting the platform friends option. But those are all the ways that you can actually add friends here in Marvel Rivals. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.